What's up, guys? This is Mark from DsGenie again, and I'm really fucking excited to show you guys. Um, well, I know you saw the Get Seller from title um, feature and so on before, but I'm excited to show you what we have added, and these are basically the building blocks that we're putting together to make the bot that should be available in about a week. So things are getting really exciting and moving forward really at a nice pace, right? So as you guys know how I make money on a daily basis, I have a solid list of sellers, a list of 200 sellers that I run to find their top selling items on a regular basis, and I just keep it moving, right? So when I wake up every day, if I have to list, I don't have to think about it. I just go to my list of sellers and list. So what we have done is we have created that process in DsGenie to make it a lot easier than when I first started to build my eBay dropshipping business, right? So I'll show you how all of that works. So first we'll start with the Get Seller from title option, right? What you will do is first we'll get to eBay. Let's search for student desk, okay? What we're trying to do is get a title of an item that we know is a dropship item, okay? Um, I want to find one that I know 100% sure is dropship. I'm pretty sure this is from Walmart, and so is this. Mm, 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 mm. What do I want to take? Thing is, I don't know if this. I can't remember if this is dropship. Okay, let's take this. Copy, throw this in here. Okay, search. What DsGenie is now doing is searching for all the sellers that use that title as a that have that title for sale. So it found 17 sellers and it saved it to your list, to my list, right? If I want to get even more sellers on that list, again, you will have to prune it if you find some sellers aren't that good. What I could do is I could take off some of the words, search. Let's see how much you got this time. 60 sellers. So guys, check this out. I just want to make a note about something. If you remember, we want to find drop shippers, right? If you search for something like this, student desk, computer table, dorm home, chances are it's a drop shipper because you're not going to have Target or Walmart or any of those big stores. Walmart doesn't have a store on eBay, but Target does. But you're not going to have any of those big sellers with a title like this. Basically, this is a title just with keywords. Alright, so boom. So you see that this is saved. And this is one of the cool things we've added. So now if we go, there's a link, My Sellers, right? If you go to the My Sellers page, as you see, all my sellers are saved. All the guys I'm about to snipe are saved on that list, right? With this list, I can do one of two things. I could delete a seller. I could just hit delete, and last week I'm sure I hit cancel because I don't want to delete anything, or I could run the seller, right? So let's choose a couple. Let me just choose one, just for the sake of this video. You can choose a few, but let me choose one. Come down here, hit run selected. It takes you to Get Seller items with the seller that I chose. Remember what this is? I want at least all the items that sold at least 4 times in the past 30 days. I hit search. Boom. DsGenie is going to go through this person's listings and find and pull out all the items that sold at least 4 times in the next 30 days. In the last 30 days. What the fuck am I saying? This is going to take a little while. It's only at 8%. But let's just skip forward because I have nothing else to like fill up. Actually, it's not taking that long. It's at 21%. So guys, understand. All your listings, every single fucking listing that comes through DsGenie, this is for the guys who are in DsGenie, should go through this process. And the reason why, I've said this a million times, is that when you list through Therapy and you list through all these other things, it works, it's fine, but it's easy to get distracted. It's easy to go list some other nonsense that doesn't fit the criteria. What this software does is ensure that the criteria is met and you're not doing some nonsense. You're not getting distracted. I used to get distracted and list a lot of bullshit that I used to think would sell just because I like it, right? Just because I thought it was a good deal. That may work, and the crazy thing is if it works once, you will keep doing it, and then you realize that you don't have a systematic way of selling consistently. And this is what we want to create for you guys. You guys need to wake up every day without question about knowing what you're going to do that day to make money. All right? So it found 5 items from this seller. And now I go to my research. Once I get into my research, who was the person I just ran? My kids. Mom's kids, sorry. I started to take money from mom, but anyway, so you see, hit edit. This is the 5 items that sold at least 4 times past 3 days. Hit edit. Boom, you have the images. I'll finish this listing for you guys so you can see. When you click it, it automatically does a Google search, okay, for that image. That didn't search. Let me hit another one. So boom, we found one. This is definitely not the dinner set we're looking for. But let's see, I suspect that it's on this page because I saw it in the search. Let's search again. Let's see if this is it. This is not it. Multiple colors. It's on this page. I'm just being stubborn. Alright, here it is. So 54.18. Let me see what this dude is selling it for. On the first page you have the 64. Yeah, we should be able to make a couple bucks here. So, you put the external link. That's what I did, right? Yeah. Hit save. I wish I did this in my account so I'm not wasting the process. So it lowered the price if you guys notice. So DsGenie prices it for you. Lowers the price for you. Oh, sorry, my bad. If you also notice, it pulled the UPC, the brand, and all that good stuff that eBay requires for your listing now. Let me get you the description. I'm going to do this really quickly because I copy the description. You really would copy the entire description. Paste it in here. Boom. Hit save. Now your last screen, just with the images. All images are good. You could add some more if you want, as I usually suggest. Hit save. It went to the other item on that list because it's done. But let me just show you where that shit is. So you hit home. I need to stop cursing. I'm just kind of excited. And it shows up under suggested items. And you just click this and list it. Things are all good. You have a solid listing. And guys, check out the blog. And I'm going to be posting on Facebook a lot because I have a case study we're doing. There's a kid that never drop shipped before. He's 22. He's 8 days in and sold 26 items so far. And this is all he's doing every day. I mean, he has a lot of time. He's doing this shit like 8 hours a day. But this is all this kid is doing, listing like this, right? This kid has no internet marketing experience, no eBay experience, never bought something online before because we're in Nicaragua, and he's selling. So, thanks for your time, guys. Hopefully I helped you out. Check for links for other training in the description, but this is one of the main videos that you guys would need to sell successfully using DsGenie. Any of you guys who are not part of DsGenie who want to join, there's a 7-day trial for $7 available right now. The link will also be in the description. I don't know why I'm so hyper tonight because it's kind of late, but I need to go. Have a great day, guys. Have an amazing weekend, and let's make that money.